Coming to control of air pollution. Control of air pollution. Some of the air pollutants are very dangerous. Take for example carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is the most dangerous air pollutant. Carbon monoxide is very common in combustion, industrial effluents, waste incineration and such activities. Carbon monoxide has a very high affinity red blood corpuscles in our blood have a very high affinity for carbon monoxide compared to oxygen. We have seen that RBC carry oxygen in the presence of hemoglobin, but when the air that we breathe in contains carbon monoxide, RBC pick up carbon monoxide more than oxygen because RBC have a very high affinity for carbon monoxide. Therefore, carbon monoxide can cause, once it enters the human respiratory system, can cause serious breathing problems, respiratory disorders. If it accumulates inside the human body, it can become toxic. Similarly, oxides of sulfur. Oxides of sulfur like sulfur dioxide and sulfur triactide, SO2 and SO3, they combine with water vapor in the atmosphere to form nitrous and nitric acid. Nitrous acid and nitric acid, and this nitric acid particularly precipitates along with the normal rain and causes what is known as acid rain. Similarly, oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen. The other common air pollutants, oxides of sulfur may combine with water vapor to form sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Similarly, oxides of nitrogen combine with water vapor to form nitric acid. So this sulfuric acid and nitric acid precipitates from the atmosphere in the form of what is commonly known as acid rain. Acid rain can destroy crops. Acid rain can create holes in the leaves so that microorganisms gain entry into plants. Acid rain can change the quality of soil, fertility of the soil. Acid rain can affect the aquatic animals and even human beings. So because of these effects, it is necessary that air pollution must be controlled. Must be controlled. Various methods can be followed to control air pollution. One is decreasing the use of petrol and diesel, decreasing the consumption of petrol and diesel and giving impetus for vehicles run by electricity. One of the measures that needs to be taken are using alternative sources of fuel like ethanol, biofuel, compressed natural gas, what is known as CNG, measures to reduce the release of industrial exhausts. In fact, there are what are known as electrostatic precipitators. Using electrostatic precipitators and colliators, other kind of equipments, using electrostatic precipitators and colliators, separating the particulate matter before they are released. Another method that can be thought of is the use of what are known as catalytic converters. Catalytic converters made of some specific metals which can convert the pollutants. Which can convert the pollutants either into harmless or less harmful constituents. So many such measures can be thought of in controlling air pollution. We must remember that in a country like India, air pollution today happens to be a very serious problem, and it is one of the biggest killer today. Many deaths are taking place in our country because of high levels of air pollution. So using suitable measures, air pollution has to be checked.